This video will walk you through how to use quick polls. To launch a quick poll, you go to your present menu and click quick poll. And from here, you're first going to choose the type of poll. You have a single choice, which means students can only select one answer. Multiple choice, meaning they can select multiple answers. You might be asking how they're feeling today, and maybe they can select that they are happy and excited. Or you've got a word cloud option where students can type a word in and it will develop a cloud. And the more often a specific response is entered, such as bicycle or waterfall, that is going to get bigger. And as the teacher, you will also be able to hover over their responses as they come in and see who put in each answer. Students will get a little text box appear on their screen and they type in their response there. You can also select from polls that you've previously created and saved to your library. Also, you have the option of clicking the green check mark to indicate which answer is correct if you have a single choice question and have correct and incorrect answer choice options. Once you are ready and you have either created your poll or selected one from your library, you're going to click Start. And you can see as teacher, this is your view. Students see this screen. They can select their answer. And once a student begins selecting their answer choice, you can see on their webcam in the corner, you can see what answer choice they have selected. And this pie chart will fill in as more answers come in and maybe you've got varied responses. At this point, as student, I can change my response. But if I do not want to allow students to do that, on my teacher side, I can lock the quick poll. And now you can see my answer as student is locked in. As teacher, once the poll is complete, I can share the results if I would like. So my students can see the pie chart of how students have responded. I can also split by results. Once I do this, I can split my students up where everyone who answered A would be at the same table and anyone who answered B would be at a different table, or I can have mixed groups. So maybe they're going to share why they chose the answer they did and try to convince others or explain their thinking. I can also decide how many students will be at each table when we do this, and then I select split. And when we are finished with a poll, I simply click Stop Quick Poll.